Good morning from my parents' house. Lynn made the drive-through yesterday. She survived. She's hiding behind me here because she doesn't feel like being on camera, and that's okay. You got bicycles yesterday?
Yes.
Why?
Because it was spring.
The kitchen crew is working it here, and you might remember my brother, the Vasaloppet champ.
Yeah.
The bit too cocky one, which you had some issues with.
Of the family.
You know, they said that you shouldn't mess around with Grandpa Randén. Nobody messes around with Grandpa Randén.
You know, we're living in a market economy. It's survivors of the fittest. That's all there is to it. We can't get emotional about Grandpa Randén. He's old.
This is the way somebody speaks that's practicing law. Lawyer Beth. Weather report.
Snow.
What will we do about this snow?
Nothing.
What's up, William?
Vad ska vi göra?
Now, as you all might have noticed, we kind of have a situation outside. It's pouring down snow. Only one car with still winter tires on, and that car is packed with stuff. Weather forecast says it's gonna snow all day, so we decided to stay at home and not get out on the road. My camera is falling down. So there is like zero visibility, the snow is coming down. This reminds me of the blizzard last autumn that struck us in November, when everybody has only summer tires on. But this is at my parents' house, and back home there is no snow at all. It's not even raining, so different weather just 200 kilometers away. We're gonna take advantage of this weather situation later, trust me. But for now it's lunchtime. Time to take advantage of the current situation with the weather. This is so much fun, right, William? Yeah. This is really awesome. Now Malin is going to drive. Well, you have the backup plan if she gets stuck anywhere.
Yeah, we'll never see her again. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh.
Har extremt otur.
Ja.
William decided to climb this hill here. We are in the pit, some kind of pit. He always needs to climb in the summer, in the winter, not sure why. Yeah, my brother can take care of him. So this is how you take advantage of the blizzard in a good way. The weather can never stop you from going outside. Unless there is like a hurricane or something. You can drive! It's awesome! Kör du, försiktigt! Oj! Bra. Det var för snabbt. Bra, duktig! Okay, William driving for himself the first time. Good job! Per? Bra! Tänk att du kanske är fyrhjuling. Good job! That was a lot of fun. Pretty cool that William now can drive the ATV himself. Although the first time he touched the throttle I nearly shit my pants because he didn't like go halfway. So I almost flew off. But great job. Now it's time for pulka and we're gonna grill some hot dogs. Yeah. So, enjoying the Swedish spring. Sunshine everywhere. Everything is awesome. Yeah, taking advantage of the weather. What do you do when you feel like the weather is crap and you don't want to do anything? There's always something you can do. Something that you have never done before. Think about it for a second. You can always do something. Just take advantage of the situation and do something funny. It doesn't take much to be happy. We're going back inside. Party's over. The intensity of the snowfall is down just a bit. We've been sleeping on the couch, tired. The snow needs to go so we can use the car again. What's up, wife?
It's good.
Are you winning?
Yes, every time.
Nu.
Men jag vet inte hur man gör.
Du måste hålla tryck A!
It's finally happening. It's breaking up and we can see sunlight. Maybe this blizzard is finally done with. Somewhere under here you can find my car. You want to see how much snow we got? That is almost 2 decimeters. That is a lot of snow. I'm gonna dig out the car. Sometimes you regret the decision taking the snow brush out of the car because you decided that winter was over. I only have my hands. Sucks. That will have to be enough. On my way out here for maybe the last time today. When I go out, Hailey wants to go inside. Hur går det, Hailey? Seems like she's done for.
Yes, I had some fun.
What about William?
Oh, he's fine.
Okay, I'm gonna
He's
go
living
down.
on the edge again.
Okay, he's falling into the water.
Barely.
Okay. See you later. Bye bye. The weather is now really nice, and this winter we have here is very, very temporary. Just look at the ground here. This is our tracks from the ATV run. Snow is gone. So in no time at all the snow will be gone. And that's good, because we don't have winter tires on the Volvo. So we're depending on the snow to disappear. But there should be like 7 degrees below tonight. That's pretty cold, so let's see how it goes. That's my sister in my dad's truck. Impressive look. How's it going?
Oh, it's a lot of snow.
Yeah. Happy with the truck?
Very happy.
Very happy. Our dad happy with the truck driving?
I'm very happy with Malin's driving. She's perfect. The perfect truck driver. Yes,
Yeah, you have been
Yes.
drinking, yes.
again.
It's been a long Friday, the långfredagen, the long Friday. So it's time to end things.
We're gonna say goodbye and we're gonna do it with a boom! Boom!
On 3. 1, 2, 3.
Boom!